A high-stakes meeting of the CDC's Vaccine Advisory Panel begins this morning. Now, this committee will vote on guidance for the combined measles, mumps, rubella vaccine, the hepatitis B shot, and COVID vaccine eligibility. The panel is stacked with allies of HHS Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. after he purged the previous committee back in June. The former CDC director told lawmakers she's, quote, very nervous about that vaccine panel meeting today. During her Senate testimony, Susan Menarez warned Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr.'s health agencies are headed in a dangerous direction.
What was the Secretary's reaction when you raised the need to consult scientific evidence before making decisions?
This is when he stated that CDC had not collected the data or the science. He called, in that context, CDC the most corrupt federal agency in the world, emphasized that CD employees were horrible people.
CBS News congressional correspondent Nikole Killion joins us now live from Capitol Hill. Good morning, Nikole. I know you were there outside the room as this was unfolding. Dr. Menarez kept speaking about the science and the data. What stood out to you from her testimony?
Yeah, well, she really cautioned about the dangers of putting politics over science, and she said that she believes that she was fired because she didn't go along with the secretary's directives. She said she was given 2 demands to pre-approve recommendations by this vaccine advisory panel that was handpicked by the secretary without scientific evidence or data, and that also she was told to fire career CDC officials. She said that would go against her ethics, her integrity. She would not resign over this, and so she told lawmakers she believes that's why she was fired. Furthermore, as you said, she expressed some real concerns about this upcoming meeting today and tomorrow by this vaccine advisory panel. Both she and one of her former colleagues warned that, they're concerned that preventable diseases could return if children are ultimately denied access to some of these vaccines.
And Nikole, how has Secretary Kennedy responded?
Well, he didn't directly respond to Susan Menarez's testimony or the overall hearing, but he did post a couple of exchanges on his X page, and he also said that we will work to restore trust in our public health agencies. He also said that, or the White House rather, said in a statement that the secretary and the president are not trying to throw out the entire childhood vaccine schedule or eliminate access to life-saving vaccines, Errol.
Really important topics impacting all of our viewers. Nikole, thank you very much.